This is not the best answer, but it's acceptable. Whenever I say good means acceptable. Of course, it can be improved. You can write better. Done? Done, huh? Okay, there's question 1. The half of it, continue. She used a proper term, but if you cannot remember, up to you. Done? Okay, that's question 1. If you want some guide, I am going to, you see, she wrote very long. Very long. Because she did at home. This one is homework. In the exam, I don't think you can write so much. I have no problem with hers, but this one, to testing the question, actually I told her no. Okay, I better say no. It's not the interviewer, okay? Interviewer don't pretest one. It's the researcher that's pretest. So this one, no. No. Wrong. Okay? Yeah. Next, let's have a look. It's a where's the next page? Let's see. Now, you see, I put the remark for her here on the next page. Okay, I say pretesting is responsibility of the researcher, not the interviewer. I actually mark for her. Yeah? Pretesting is the responsibility of the researcher. Interviewer follow instruction only. Okay? Second question. Her answer is not correct. It's wrong. Good to show you wrong answer. Yeah, that is wrong, and I told her why it's wrong. I correct for her. Okay? Now continue. So you must read the comment. It's not about the answer, but it shows you how a student tries to answer the question. Third one, right? Okay, this is a good question. Doesn't understand some. Okay, yeah, answer is acceptable. But I always tell her, actually she always have this problem. She always think about this pretesting. She always have a wrong answer about pretesting. Let me put this smaller so that I can get to everything. Okay. Got it, Got it? I'm not coming back, Okay. Answer 2 is another student, don't need to take so many. When I write answer 1, answer 2, because there are 2 students that I mark. This is answer 1, good enough. No need to take the other one. Done, Question 4, there's a second answer to take. This is question 4. Okay, I think that's all. And reducing error. Don't take answer 2, okay? No need to take so many. There are 2 students who submitted. Done? Okay? I think that is okay, we'll talk about this. Actually, other speakers is important to you also, obviously, because you don't get the same question one. Okay? The one I started, the answer not very good, but it's good that you see this answer. Just now I gave you the answer. So this person write in this way, but really was not good, not clear, very general. And don't just say survey. Say give out survey. How? What method? You want to tell me you do survey, you have to tell me email survey or personal interview and so on. Do you see that? Students always write like this, but you don't get marked. Because I really cannot figure out exactly what you do. So, interview also, I don't know what to interview. If you say you want to do focus group, say so. You have to say in the interview, say so. You say interview can also be personal interview using a questionnaire. That becomes survey. Understand? Alright? So you begin to see how precise you have to be, and don't write because the person didn't get mark. Another question, I will discuss with you first what's the answer. Marketing manager or health food. Now you tell me the answer, okay? Don't do any first wrong answer. Health food supplement. Be quick, because that's how you are managed. Be very quick. I will tell you the right answer. What's the answer? Qualitative or quantitative? If it's qualitative, what's the research technique? And if it's quantitative, what's the research technique? Put your thinking cap on now. Propose answer. This is difficult actually. I always use this example in lecture. Okay, quantitative research now is a quantitative, yeah. What about research technique? Under quantitative, you might have descriptive, right? Which is survey. Because you have to tell me in the personal interview, that kind of thing. The other one is under causal research. So which one do you want to choose? Is it descriptive or is it causal? You have to do a survey or you have to do a causal research. What about the rest? This quantitative is better. If you tell me qualitative, you are quite bad. Causal. This, yeah, right? You want to compare effectiveness, right? You talk the actual executive advertisement. This is what training program. You want to see whether effective or not. Always think about causal research. This is about sales. That means the whole thing is they have to measure sales. The way to do it is before the training, the company already have the data of sales figure. And the manager was not happy saying that sales was stagnant. So before training, the sales can be compared with after training. If the data after training, the sales is better, higher, then the training program is effective. Do you follow the logic? You just compare two sets of data. When you do so, it's called causal research. There's a, you have to do a survey, no use. You have to ask one. And do qualitative research also no point. And doing a causal research is very cheap for this company because the data is already there. There's no need to spend money for the data. Data is already there. Just tell me, are you all following or not?
Miss, causal research is the technique, right?
It's a technique. Experiment. Causal research is a name. You can say experiment is a technique.
Okay.
Experiment intelligence. Experiment. That means actually when you answer this question, you must say this is quantitative causal research using experiment. Then you have to describe before the training, sales data should be collected. After training, the sales data collected. Compare. That's all. Finish. Okay. Let's see whether that student get it right or not. I forgot whether she got it right. Oh, she didn't give me a good answer. This person, I forget whether she gave me the answer or not. The answer is causal research, okay? This one also didn't give me good data. Didn't give me good answer. So, causal research, write the answer because both of them also give me wrong answer. Causal. Okay, experimentation. Compare the sales data before and after the training program to say or to determine if you want to use the word if the training program is effective. That's enough. Right? Now, question. Is experiencing low utilization. You know what I mean? This I write cases around environment already. There are many cases. People use it, and the management wants reason behind this and devise to improve the situation. Let's analyze the question. Is somewhere called gym low utilization? When you read this question, you must know who wants to do the research, right? Now, to answer their question, who do you want to interview? Who should we interview? Who? You always think about this. Who? Your target population. Who? Whether you're doing case study or doing short scenario, the question who is very important. Who do you want to talk to? Who? Can you ask me the question? That's how I who. No need to tell me age lah. Isn't it? There's only to tell me age, right? Students. Yeah. But all the students, staff and students, I think maybe no need to include staff. Yeah. Because basically it's a student. Okay, you include staff. Oh, okay. But you still didn't get me. What type of student or what type of staff? Is people don't come. So when people don't come, people don't buy, you always have two groups to think about. If you're a marketing student, your user, isn't it? You do not see the same problem all the time. I've been telling you do a survey and you forget about your non-user, you are not very good marketeer. When your market share is low, when you're not doing well, don't just think about your user. What about the non-user? Attract them. Can you see the point? Yes, student? Yes, because low, you know. So definitely, I would want to talk about those who go. I want to talk to those who go to the gym. Why do they come to the gym? And why they don't like about the gym? Even if they come, they will not be very happy. And what about those who don't come? They don't come. Why is it they don't come? Is it because they don't even know there is a gym? Awareness, or they simply don't like gym, or what else? Isn't that you should be thinking about? Yes or no? Answer is definitely yes or no. They come to what are the things that they're happy or not happy about?